In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up your PSD image editor. If you have installed Cartoon Animator 5 recently, you gotta manually do this setting in order to edit your PSD files. So there are many ways to do it. The easiest way to set up your PSD editor by clicking here. If you click here, it says please select an external image editor. So you're gonna click OK, and then you're gonna locate your Photoshop or Affinity or any software that you use for your image editing. So I use Photoshop, so I'm going to go to my C drive. I'm going to click here, program files, Adobe. Then this is the Photoshop folder. Here is the file. This is exe file. See here, exe file. So you're going to select it and you're going to click open. So now you've set your Photoshop as image editor. After selection, it says you want to create a new object or you want to open an object. I want to create a new object. For example, Photoshop is opening right now. I'm inside Photoshop. Whatever I draw in here, it will be reflected back in Cartoon Animator. So if I close it, it says save. Okay, yes. Then Cartoon Animator is saying, do you want to import whatever your file of Photoshop is, prop, scene, or born actor? I want to bring that drawing as prop. So see, whatever I drew in Photoshop, it is available in here as a prop. So in this way, you can set up your Photoshop as image editor.